That online deal could cost you a lot more than you think. Buy AMSOIL from the wrong place and you lose the warranty fast. Let's show you how to buy smart and stay protected. We're the Oil Twins. We build it, break it, fix it, and we run AMSOIL the right way. Be sure to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell to keep up on all of our antics. For more information, visit www.oiltwins.com. 2 AMSOIL bottles, one with the warranty, one without. We'll tell you why. You have to be really careful when you're buying on the internet because there's tons of unauthorized sites. The AMSOIL Preferred Customer Program through the Oil Twins is the official way to save. You get up to 25% off, free shipping on qualified orders, reward coupons, and exclusive promos. Membership's just $20 a year or $10 for a 6-month trial. 2 oil changes and that's it. It's paid for. And if you want a free personalized quote from the Oil Twins, leave a comment and we'll hook you up. Here's where people get burned. AMSOIL warranty only covers products packaged and sold by AMSOIL or an authorized dealer or retailer. The Oil Twins are authorized AMSOIL independent dealers, and with us, you are protected. Anything else? No warranty, no support. So I've been asked, Casey, how does AMSOIL know where the products are being sold? Answer is quality control. Each AMSOIL bottle has a serial number located here at the bottom. The product is checked at least 3 times when the raw materials come in, when it's formulated and blended, and when it's bottled. The quality control number is used to track where it was sold and who it was sold to. Additionally, AMSOIL has great records of who they've been selling to online, and each dealer is responsible to document their transaction. So if you got a warranty claim, you better come up with the receipts. A word of caution, AMSOIL proactively searches the internet in search of bootleg AMSOIL products. Products that are suspected are often purchased, and the quality control number on the bottom is checked. AMSOIL then contacts the dealer or the establishment responsible for the sale to find out how that product ended up where it shouldn't be sold, jeopardizing legitimate AMSOIL customers. One of the benefits of buying from AMSOIL is its unique dealer network. Us dealers strive to take care of our customers on a one-on-one basis to make sure that your needs are met. When you buy through the Oil Twins, your AMSOIL comes straight from the source, factory sealed, traceable, and fully covered. Oil Twins equal authorized, legit, warranty secure. Most of AMSOIL products are sold through independent dealers like myself. And when you buy from a dealer, you're helping a little guy. Between the savings, rewards, and warranty protection you keep when you buy from the Oil Twins, this program just makes sense. If you find this video helpful, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to smash the notification bell. We got more real-world AMSOIL tests coming soon. You won't want to miss them. The easiest way to place an order is to call us directly so we can set you up and get you a quote. If you want to self-serve, click on the link that's in the description. It'll send you the AMSOIL website, and they'll know that you came from the Oil Twins. Becoming a preferred customer and placing an order online is easy. From the YouTube site, click on one of my videos, go to the description, click on more. Scroll down till you see save up to 25% on AMSOIL. Once you find that, there's a link below. Click the link. It'll send you to AMSOIL. AMSOIL will know that I sent you there. Scroll down till you see Join Now. Once you click Join Now, choose your plan. I recommend the yearly membership for $20. Click Join Now and save. From there, click Add More Shopping. Scroll back up, find your vehicle, look up a vehicle. Let's say that you're selecting a 2022 Ram 2500 HD. Select your engine type, turbo diesel in this case. Click Save and Shop. This will bring you to Build Your Oil Change Kit. For best protection, select the Signature Series. Click on View Kit. Notice, as preferred customer, you're going to save $45.65 on this order. This kit will show up on your right-hand side. Add kit to cart. From here, you can continue shopping. It'll also give you recommended purchase items. From the cart, when you're ready to check out, click View Cart. You got your free shipping right here as a preferred customer. Click Checkout Now. From here, you'll need to log in with Google or Apple or create an account. First name, last name, email, password, mobile phone number. I highly recommend that. Did someone refer you to AMSOIL? Notice it says your referral. There's my referral number and Casey and Jody Jones. Click the checkbox. So you can sign up for information, click Create My Account. What that'll do is give you a shipping screen so you can put the shipping address and an additional screen for you to make payment. Once it's complete, you'll get a confirmation email. It's that easy. AMSOIL and the Oil Twins. Protection you demand, performance you deserve.